This is the battery that you're gonna need. First thing you need to do is remove the key. There is a small plastic tab here. Just push it down to release the lock. And pull the key. In these areas, you will use a plastic card to pry it. Use only a plastic material when prying it. Using metal tools can cause damage to the surface. Just gently pry it. Then gently slide your card on the side portion while gently prying it, until it pops out. I will clean the case after I replace the battery. There you can see on the cap the type of battery, CR2025. Gently pry or pull the cap off. There you can see the battery and O-ring. Remove the battery. There is the polarity sign. Underneath is the negative sign. Above is positive. This is the positive side of the battery, and this is the negative side. Take your new battery. Install the new battery. Then put the cap back on. Press it and make sure that the cap is well seated and secured. Don't forget to clean the casing before you reinstall it. Press it until it clicks. Reinsert the key. Test it and call it a day. I hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and God bless.